So how do we accomplish this work of self-transformation? How do we discover what our particular tikkun or repair is in this life? The beginnings of an answer can be found in the teachings of Rabbi Tzvi of Ostroh, a disciple of the Maggid of Mezerich, who was the successor to the Baal Shem Tov and the person who built the foundation for the Hasidic movement. Rabbi Tzvi teaches that if we want to discover the purpose of our life, then we need to look for the attribute that is our greatest weakness. For fixing this weakness lies at the center of our spiritual evolution. This is an amazing idea. Everyone is a mixture of strengths and weaknesses. Everyone has his or her imperfections and faults. That's what it means to be a human being. But most of us concentrate on developing our strength and try to hide away our weaknesses. Rabbi Tzvi is telling us that even though this approach makes perfect sense from a material point of view, from a spiritual perspective, it has everything completely wrong. Our strengths have been developed in other lives and do not require our attention. It is our weaknesses that are the key to our spiritual growth. They are the reason that we have come into this world. The Baal Shem Tov, playing on the Hebrew, calls this work making an oyev into an ohev, turning an enemy into a beloved. Quoting the saying from the Ethics of the Fathers, chapter 4, verse 1, who is strong? The one who conquers his evil inclination. Baal Shem Tov points out that the text says conquers his nature and not kills or destroys it. The real hero, he says, is the person who can transform his or her weakness into virtues and turn them towards the service of God. Our goal is not just to conquer, but to unveil the light and let it shine forth within us in all of its glory. This is the meaning of Psalm 118, verse 22, Eved ma'asu habonim haita l'rosh pinah. The stone that the builders rejected has become the cornerstone. We are transforming the part of us that we have until now rejected into the cornerstone of our lives.